Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. Start by launching the Google Chrome browser on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open a new tab with Chrome Settings. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you will see various options. Click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down in the Privacy and Security section until you find Site Settings. Click on it to proceed. In the Site Settings, scroll down to the Content section. Here, you will find an option labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on this option. You will see a toggle switch or options to either allow or block pop-ups and redirects. Select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects to enable pop-ups for all sites. If you want to allow pop-ups for specific sites only, click on the Add button next to Allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. A dialog box will appear. Here, you can type the URL of the site you want to allow pop-ups for. Enter the URL and click on Add. Once you've added the site, your changes will be saved automatically. The specified site will now be able to send pop-ups and use redirects. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.